How do you know if it's time to replace your ducted system? A reliable and quality unit should keep your whole family feeling comfortable all year round. Some of the common signs that your air conditioner is on its way out are excessive noise, costly repairs, unusually high energy costs, and uneven heating and cooling. Did you know that heating and cooling your home can amount up to 40% of your annual energy bill? Daikin's research and development team compared the average running costs of an old Daikin ducted system model and Daikin's current premium inverter ducted system. This comparison was based on delivering identical running times from both options and then calculating the running costs. When you replace your Daikin ducted system, you can save up to 25% on running costs. That's a huge saving. The good news is, advances in Daikin's air conditioning technologies have greatly improved energy efficiency. They come with a range of features to save you money on your energy bill, giving you many reasons to replace your ducted system. Daikin's ducted system incorporates our inverter technology, which enables the desired temperature to be reached quicker and steadily maintains the temperature to keep your home comfortable, whilst keeping your running costs to a minimum. Daikin's ducted systems are equipped with highly efficient Reluctance DC motors. By utilising high-powered permanent magnets instead of the induced magnetism of conventional AC motors, Daikin's Reluctance DC motor can deliver up to 40% higher motor efficiency. Automatic mode changeover that automatically selects heating or cooling modes to suit thermostat settings and the current room temperature. Predicted mean vote, or PMV Control, measures the indoor and outdoor temperatures to calculate the ideal room temperature and gently adjusts it for optimum balance between efficiency and comfort. Temperature limit operations lets you predetermine the temperature range for both heating and cooling to reduce energy consumption. Home leave is great during those cold winter months, as it turns your air conditioner on automatically when room temperatures drop below 10 degrees Celsius, keeping your room at or above 10 degrees. For a convenient and cost-effective way of upgrading an existing system that may be towards the end of its useful operating life, the Daikin Premium Inverter can be retrofitted onto an existing R22 system by simply replacing both the indoor and outdoor units, whilst retaining the fill piping intact. What's more, you'll enjoy the added benefit of night quiet mode, intelligent defrost, 24-hour on-off timer, hot start and powerful mode on all new Daikin ducted system models. Considering replacing your ducted system? Visit daikin.com.au for more information.